Hey guys, and welcome back to Mr.ChoKolate Car Audio YouTube channel. And in today's episode, we have 6 DC Audio Neo 18s on 2 Crescendo 17,000 watt amplifiers. But guess what? His radio went out, no problem. He replaced it. He blew an amp, rewired it. One of his subs literally backed out all the screws. Don't worry, he's holding it down with his hand like nothing happened. This man does not care. He came to the Sundown Audio Show to do one thing, and that's demo all day long. And guess what? That's exactly what he did. But make sure you like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's go!
You gotta feel that heat.
Mr.ChoKolate.
What's going on, man? What up, dog?
What up?
What's going on, man? Dog, it's been too long, bro.
I know, right?
How you been, man?
Great.
What you got in here this year? Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, dog. How you been, bro?
Great. Great.
Man.
I got I'm changing my radio out.
Yeah. What happened? It took a shit? Oh, man. The bass done beat it to pieces.
Yeah.
Jeez, I'm gonna come get a demo from
All right.
you. Yes, sir. Y'all, this man's legendary. He gave me a demo, Slamology 2024, and man, golly, literally, he blew my brains out, y'all. The man he can build a system, that's for sure. Come, let's grow, let's grow, let's grow. Yes, sir. Oh, boy.
There it is. Hey, would you baby, I came it up. I just came here for the back end. New bitch, I'm blowing her back in. It's sold as soon as the pack in. Best word of my mother, yeah. Show on the fuck, won't touch her, yeah. Got a new bag in another,
Let's go. We got 27 people live right now watching, bro. Yeah, we on there. Look at these Neo subs back here, y'all. Look at these.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Here we go. Dog. Yeah.
Go get some
Yeah.
money or go spend some money. They stop me.
Take this up.
Which one?
This one.
Oh my God, you been beating on them that bad?
I just put these in first.
How you liking them? What was in here first?
Level 6s. Then when I went to them F5s,
Yeah.
where we got videos that slam,
Yeah.
then I went back to my 6s. I just put these in.
So who's number one so far?
I can't say the F5s took a beating. I mean, a beating. And kept on going. And my level 6s are my favorite at the moment
Yeah.
because of the low end, but the on low was different from them from the F5s.
Okay.
So,
So how are these comparing?
very nice.
You like them so far?
They're taking the beat. They're hot.
I see you been beating on them all dang on
And
day.
they're taking it.
It's good.
Listen, baby. Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby.
Wow. I can't imagine what two of them would do. I can't imagine, bro. Give me one more. Give me one more. Give me one more. I can't imagine, bro. go. I want to leave on that note. I don't want to get no more demos. Snapmology, yes, it's Snapmology. Sundown 2025 is over. We out. Thank you, my bro. Until next time.
Wait today.
I'm coming. My best friend lives there. He's from Arkansas.
Wait today.
I see you, gang.
I see you.
Gang.
Two, maybe 317K.
Oh, chill, bro. We need hearing aids for that. Chill, bro. Oh my God. Oh. Y'all, that's a wrap. We gon' end this right here, right now. That's a wrap. So once again, actually we're gonna do a drive-through. But anyways, I want to thank y'all for rocking with me. I don't know how long this video has been, but this has been an amazing show. Oh my God, everyone came up and saw me, told me they love, told me how much they watch my videos. I want to say thank you, all the support. I truly love this, and you guys keep ready to keep going. But let's go.
Gave my best, it wasn't enough. You can't say we argued too much. We made a mess of what used to be love. So why don't I care at all?
Nah, you got it, bro. You win. You got it, bro. Until Arkansas, wake the dead. Wake the dead. See y'all.
You gotta feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie.